World Chocolate Day is an annual celebration of chocolate occurring globally on July 7, which some suggest to be the anniversary of the introduction of chocolate to Europe in 1550. Although humans have enjoyed chocolate for thousands of years, World Chocolate Day wasn't invented until 2009. Nobody knows exactly who established World Chocolate Day. Since its introduction to Europe in the mid 16th century, chocolate has transformed from a luxury beverage enjoyed by the elite to a widely consumed commodity and a key ingredient in confectionery. Dark chocolate in moderation can offer several health benefits due to its rich antioxidant content. These include improved heart health, enhanced cognitive function, and potential mood boosting effects. The main types of chocolate are dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate, with variations like semi-sweet and bittersweet. Additionally, cocoa powder, compound chocolate, and unique forms like ruby and blonde chocolate exist. It is a day to indulge in and appreciate all things chocolate. You can celebrate by enjoying chocolate treats, hosting a tasting, baking with chocolate, or learning about its history and production.
Be good and explore yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos and crafts.